What's up, y'all? It's Peaches, your favorite nail tech. Y'all already know. Welcome back to my channel. We're here with another video. I know, another ombre, but you know what? This one's gonna be more of a relaxing video, to be honest. I'm gonna kind of let you guys just watch and just see what it do, okay? So here's the colors we're gonna be using: Milky White and Nude Panther by Not Polished. This color went really well with her skin. It was a really subtle ombre. I usually make the executive choices on what nudes that we're using, you know what I'm saying? And of course, before we get really into the video, we're gonna go ahead with the subscriber shout out. And today's subscriber shout out will be She's Forever Gorgeous. She has subscribed on Friday. I appreciate you and your support. Unfortunately, there was kind of there was technical difficulties downloading the email, I guess, so it's not really showing me all the information, so it's kind of like a blank email. But I really appreciate you subscribing, and you guys already know, keep subscribing for a chance to be featured in one of my videos. So basically, you guys already know how ombre goes. You know, I do one hand and then I do the other hand. I basically just go ahead, put all the tip color down, do whatever I have to do on the one hand, and then go back in with my nude. This particular nude, I did go ahead and decide this nude. Y'all, I can't get my words together. Let me tell you something. It's 8 in the morning, okay? 8 in the morning on a Sunday. I'm doing this before I go to work, so that way there's going to for sure be an upload today, because last night I fell asleep. I think I was already falling asleep by 8 o'clock, okay? So look, this set, I decided that I did not want the nude to be dragged down like hella far. I wanted like a very natural look. This is actually her first ombre set, she said. So, you know, came out very cute, little light work, you feel me? Little medium short set. So yeah, I already knew, just based on the nude that I had chose. Like, it's crazy because I don't even need a swatch to know, like, oh, this nude is gonna be cute. Like, I pretty much know what all my nudes look like. I pretty much know what all my colors look like and the names of all my colors before y'all look at the swatches, because I use them that much. But yeah, I already knew. I was like, look, we're gonna give her like a really classic, just a subtle, cute ombre, and that's just gonna be what it is, you feel me? So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Because I am on the way to work and I do have to leave in a couple of minutes, I am not gonna talk through this whole voiceover. I really want this to be just a more relaxing video for you guys, just a little something for you guys to watch, you know what I'm saying? Not something too much. I did include a little bit of filing in this video, so what you're gonna see is application of one hand as well as the filing for one hand, and that's what we're gonna leave it at, okay? So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You guys, about 4 days ago we hit 400 subscribers. I'm not even gonna tell you that let me look, because I want to say that we are closer to 500. Yep, we're at 425, so we're almost to 450, which is almost to 500. So you guys, I'm super duper excited about that. Please keep subscribing, please keep doing all the things y'all are doing. Y'all support is amazing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Nailsbyprettyface, and I will see you guys in the next video, because I gotta go on to work, okay? You see what I'm saying? I gotta go to work. So enjoy this video. I will be going, well, this video is not going to be uploaded like while I'm at work, but y'all already know, live streams, all of that, turn on your notifications, okay? And yeah, once again, enjoy this video, and I'm gonna go on and get out of here.